up, guys? So today we're going to be doing this spinny thingy. I think it's called a fidget spinner. Comment if you think it's wrong or not. Anyway, you can get it at a local 7-Eleven, and you can get it at Amazon, wherever you want. And yeah, so I'm going to be doing it on my body, on the table, and I will be doing it in different place thingies. So yeah, let's do this. So right now I'm going to do it on my head. Alright, so guys, I'm pretty sure all of you guys can do this if you have a fidget spinner. So can you guys go to one finger to the other one? Probably not. Alright, so, as I said, a lot of people can do this and this, just on their fingers, right? But whoever thought that anyone could do it on their toes? Them skilled. Tablespin, ball spin, flip, coin spinning, spinner on top of fidget spinner. Proof: two fidget spinners from the table to my hand. Spinner to the table. Two spinners to the table. Spinner meets spinner. Far distance throw. Open water bottle is cool. What's up, guys? So thanks for watching the video, and like, subscribe, and shout outs to people. And sorry I haven't been doing the vlog for a while. Whoever does a vlog channel, shout out to them, because it's a lot of work and a lot of effort, and I don't feel like doing it. So anyway, peace out, people.